Hi students, good morning. I hope you all are fine. Welcome to grade 11 Business Mathematics class. We are learning our third chapter, Analytical Geometry. So in our last day's class, I can't able to give any homework as well as in exercise 3.4 when we are doing the 8th problem, I stopped the class. So that solving we have not completed in the last class. So we will complete that one first. Afterwards, one more problem is there in this exercise. We will complete that. And afterwards, we will start the next section. Okay? Listen. So in our last class, I hope that we have completed, that is in 8th problem, exercise 3.4. In 8th problem, extremities, the equations I have gave. So here we stopped here. X minus 4 into x plus 2 plus y minus 7 into y minus 5 is equal to 0. So maybe you completed. Okay, anyhow I am repeating. So multiply inside x square plus 2x minus 4x minus 8. Then plus y square minus 5y minus 7y plus 35 is equal to 0. X square minus 2x plus y square minus 12y plus 35 minus 8 means plus 27 is equal to 0. Okay, this is an answer. You want to rearrange x square plus y square minus 2x minus 12y plus 27 is equal to 0. This is the answer. Understand students? I hope you got it. Okay, let's move to the next problem. One more problem in that in the exercise 9th problem. Find the Cartesian equation of the circle whose parametric equations are x equal to 3 cos theta, y is equal to 3 sin theta, 0 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 2. So solution. So it's a very simple problem. So find the Cartesian equation of the circle. So parametric equation I taught you. You need to find the Cartesian equation. Cartesian equation is nothing but it is in the form of x square plus y square is equal to r square. Okay. What's the Cartesian equation of the circle? Maybe in one words they can ask. What's the Cartesian equation of the circle? X square plus y square is equal to r square. Okay students. So you keep it in mind. One words questions and all from when they are asking for exam, they will ask from the questions also. So when you are learning, carefully learn it. Okay. Find the Cartesian equation. What's the Cartesian equation of the circle? Means x square plus y square is equal to r square. Okay. So first I am writing the parametric equation. What are the parametric equation? X equal to r cos theta, then y is equal to r sin theta. These are the two parametric equation. We are going to compare with the given equation. Comparing with, what are the equations given? X equal to 3 cos theta. Another one is y is equal to 3 sin theta. Compare with this. What's the r value in the place of r? What's there? 3. What's the Cartesian equation of the circle now? Cartesian equation of the circle. What's the Cartesian equation of the circle? X square plus y square is equal to r square. So write down x square plus y square is equal to r square means 3 square. So what's the answer? X plus y square is equal to 9. This is the Cartesian equation of the circle. Understand students? This much only. So exercise 3.4. Understand? Okay, shall we move to the next section? So third unit is very easy, as well as you need to learn lot of formulas. So that's the only thing here. It is very important. I think in the third chapter 2 more exercises are left. We can start the next section. Okay, next section name is tangents. Okay, what's the next section name? Tangents. The equation of the tangent of the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 at xy y1 is in the form of, this is a form, that is x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c1. Okay, so what are the things you need to write to your note? I am giving first. So after completing this exercise, put the heading tangents, write down these 2 lines to your note. Understand? So put the heading tangents. This is a formula we will use everywhere. Understand? So the tangent of the equation of the circle, equation of the tangent to the circle. So write down this much. Understand? Afterwards, there is one note is there in your book. Take down in your book. Listen in your book. No need to write to your note. From your book you can learn it. So to get the equation of the tangent at xy1, x1 y1 to the circle, equation is given. Replace x square by x1 and y square by y1. X, how you need to replace? How you need to replace x plus x1 by 2 and y by y plus y1 by 2 in equation 1. Understand? So those who can't able to learn from your book, some students are there, they have no interest to learn anything from the book. Okay, so you are in that category, means please take down your note and write this also. Understand? The main thing is we will use this in the problems also. Understand, students? So this is the only thing in tangent. How you need to replace? In the place of x square you need to replace as x1. Y square, what you need to do? y1. Then in the place of x1 plus x2 by 2 you need to x plus x1 by 2. Then in the place of y, how you need to replace? Y plus y1 by 2. Okay, so you need to replace. That's the only difference. Understand, students? Okay, let's move to the problem. Example 3.27. Find the equation of the tangent at the point minus 2 comma 5 on the circle. Okay, so we are going to find the tangent of a circle. Simple problem. So we are going to use the thing whatever you have learned. Okay, so write one line, that is the equation of the tangent at x1 y1 to the given circle. What's the x square plus y square? Sorry, I forgot to write the equation here. X square plus y square plus 3x minus 8y plus 17 is equal to 0. Okay, this is a question. So write down that one here. Plus 3x minus 8y plus 17 is equal to 0. So how you do, ma? In the place of x and x square and y square and x1 x, how you need to replace? I taught you now. Okay, so we are going to do like that. So in the place of x square, what you need to put? x1. In the place of y square, y1 plus 3 into, in the place of x, what you need to substitute? X plus x1 by 2. Okay, so 1 by 2 into x plus x1. Then minus 8 into, in the place of y, 1 by 2 into y plus y1 plus 17 is equal to 0. Here in this question, in the point x1 y1 is given. What's the point x1 y1 is given? Minus 2 comma 5. Understand? It is given in your question. So in the place of x1 y1, what you need to put? You need to substitute this given value. Okay, so x means x, so minus 2x plus 5y plus 3 into 1 by 2 into x minus 2, then minus 8 into 1 by 2 into y plus 5 plus 17 is equal to 0. So minus 2x plus 5y. We are going to simplify this. Okay. So you need to multiply this one first. So 3 by 2 into x minus 3 into 2. So 6 is it, right? So 6 by 2. Then minus, so here shall we cancel? So it is 4. So minus 4y minus 20 plus 17 is equal to 0. Do it very carefully. So this also will get cancelled. So what's the balance? Minus 2x plus 5y plus 3 by 2 into x minus 3 minus 4y minus 20 plus 17 is equal to 0. Okay. So shall we take the LCM as 2? So 2 as the LCM. So it will be multiplied by 2, 4x plus 10y plus 3x minus 6 minus 8y minus 40 plus 34 equal to 0. When you are cross multiplying, this will become 0. So what's the balance? Minus 4x plus 3x. So it will be minus 6. Okay. Then y term plus 10y minus 8y. So it will be plus 2y. Then constant everything. Here one constant minus 6. So here it is minus 40. So minus 46 plus 34 means you will get minus 12. Okay. So first term is starting with the minus. So divide by minus. What's the balance? X minus 2y plus 12 is equal to 0 is the required equation. Understand? So first day itself I said, if you are very thorough in the formulas of third unit, you will feel very easy this third unit. So each and every formula, please differentiate it. Okay, so equation of the tangent means what you need to do. So just substitute it in the formula and simplify that. So understand, students? I hope you got good idea. Okay, next we are going to learn length of the tangent of the circle. It is in your book. Take down. Here also we are going to learn one formula. Take down your book. Next heading. Next heading is length of the tangent of the circle. Next heading is length of the tangent to the circle. Take down to your note length of the tangent to a circle from the point P of x1, y1 is pt is equal to, this is a formula. So please students, after completing this question, put the heading length of the tangent to the circle and write down these two lines. This is a formula, we are going to use it. Okay. Then 3 one-word questions are there in the note. So learn from your work. If the point P is on the circle, so if the point P is on the circle means pt square is equal to 0. Then if the point P is outside the circle means pt square greater than 0. Then if the point P is inside the circle means pt square is less than 0. So this 3 is an important one word. So on the circle, inside the circle, outside the circle. Please differentiate and learn it. If you need to take to your note, otherwise from your book you can learn. But length of the tangent to the circle you need to take down to your note. Okay. Shall we move to the next problem? Example 3.28. Find the length of the tangent from the point 2, 3 to the circle. One equation is given, x square plus y square plus 8x plus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. Okay. Solution. First we are going to write down the formula we have learned now. So the length of the tangent to the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 from a point x1 y1 is, what's the point? Root of x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. Okay, this is a formula. Okay, just you are going to substitute, that's all. So here x1 y1, the value is given as 2, 3. Okay, so length of the tangent equal to square root of x1 square plus y1 square plus 8 x1 plus so it is nothing but 8x1. Okay, so 8x1, next one 4y1. In the place of x is x1, that's the only difference in the formula. So 4y1 plus 8. So x1, y1, you know the value. It is given in your question 2, 3. Okay, just substitute the value here. So root of 2 square plus 3 square plus 8 into 2 plus 4 into 3 plus 8. Correct? So that's equal to square root of, simplify ma, 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 12 plus 8. Add all this. What's the value? We get it. 16 plus 30, 12 plus 8. So root of 49 you will get. What's the value for root 49? 7. Correct? Okay. So length of the tangent equal to 7 units. You need to write in units. Okay. So 7 units. Understand, students? Okay. This much only, very easy. Next question, example 3.29. Determine whether the points P of 0, 1, Q of 5, 9, R of minus 2, 3 and S of 2, 2 lie outside the circle, on the circle, or inside the circle. X square plus y square minus 4x plus 4y minus 8 is equal to 0. So we are going to use the note. Okay. So first you will find pt square, you will find qt square, you will find rt square, next you will find st square. Okay. So if the value is less than 0, if the value is greater than 0, if the value is equal to 0. Now only I taught you lies inside, outside, on the circle. So you need to conclude the answer. Okay. Okay. Solution. The equation of circle is given as, what's the equation it is given? So it equal to 0. Okay. So first we are going to write the pt square. So pt square means what's the equation? X1 square plus y1 square minus 4x1 plus 4y1 minus 8. Okay. So one by one point you need to find out. Okay. So I think you can do. Okay. Okay. So I'll start. Shall I start and give? So first at p 0, 1. So pt square in the place of x1 as 0, y1 as 1. Okay. So what will happen? 0 square plus 1 square plus minus 4 into x1 value was 0 plus 4 into y1 value was 1 minus 8. Simplify 1 plus 4 minus 8. You will get as minus 3. Whether it is greater than 0 or less than 0, less than 0. Okay. Then next what will you do at q? What's the point given? 5 comma 9. So qt square you need to find. So qt square in the place of x1, 5 in the place of y1 is 9. So what will happen? 5 square plus 9 square minus 4 into 5 plus 4 into 9 minus 8. Simplify it, you will get as 25 plus 81 minus 20 plus 36 minus 8. If simplify it, you will get the answer as 114. Whether it is less than 0 or greater than 0, greater than 0. Next, what's the point? At r minus 2 comma 3. Substitute rt square. So what will happen here? Minus 2 the whole square plus 3 the whole square minus 4 into minus 2 plus 4 into 3 minus 8. So simplify it. What's the value you will get? 4 plus 9 plus 8 plus 12 minus 8. So this will get cancelled. So what's the balance? 25. Whether it is less than 0 or greater than 0, greater than 0. Next, one more point. At s2 comma 2. Substitute st square is equal to 2 square plus 2 square then minus 4 into 2 plus 4 into 2 minus 8. That's equal to 4 plus 4 minus 8 plus 8 minus 8. So this will get cancelled. What's the value? 0. st square is equal to 0. So we can conclude the answer. Therefore, the point P lies inside the circle. Inside the circle, the point, what are outside? Q and R positive, is it right? Q and R positive means Q and R both are positive, correct? So negative means lies inside the circle, is it right? Less than means lies inside. So greater than means lies outside. And then one point lies on the circle, is it right? What's the only point lies on the circle? The point is. So using the note, understand the point is lies on the circle. Understand, students? So negative value means lies inside the circle. This 2 point outside the circle. Equal to 0 means lies on the circle. So you need to learn the note. Okay, using the note we completed. So I think today is enough. So up to 3.29 example we have completed. Now I am giving homeworks for you. Take down your book, all of you. Exercise 3.5. Your homework is exercise 3.5. First problem homework. That is same as our example. One problem we have completed. Find the equation of the tangent of the circle. So same as example 3.27. Okay. Then second problem. Now only we have completed that same model. Inside the circle or outside the circle. That one. Then third problem also homework. Third problem, find the length of the tangent from 1, 2 to the circle. 1, 2 the point is given. Same as example 3.28. So these 3 problems are your homework. So I have completed up to example 3.29. So one example and one more exercise problems are left in this section. So we will conclude that 2 problems in the next class. Please students, do the homework. Learn the portion. So one more exercise, that's also small exercise and very important exercise is left in this unit. So I hope within 2 or 3 classes we will complete this unit and we will start the next chapter. So before that, complete this everything. Okay, learn the formula, whatever the things I asked you to take to your note, take down, do the 3 homeworks. Okay, so remaining we will do in the next class. Be safe students, we will meet in the next class. Thank you.